we have 5 into y plus 3 equals 15. On LHS, we can see one bracket. First, we have to open this bracket. How will open this bracket? See children, this is also equals 5 into y. 5 into y plus 5 into 3. 5 into 3 equals on RHS 15. Equals 15. Distributive property familiar now we have learned in the earlier classes, right? 5 into y plus 15 equals 15. Now we have to transpose this constant term 15 from LHS to RHS. Listen carefully children, it becomes 5 into y equals 15 already there minus 15. Y is here 15 added to 5 into y. When we transpose, we should subtract from RHS. So 15 minus 15. 5 into y equals 0. 5 into y equals 0. Then what about y? Y equals 0 divided by 5. Also equals 0. Minus 4 into 2 plus y equals 8. Also equals minus 4 into 2. Minus 4 into 2 plus minus 4 into y. Minus 4 into y equals 8. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Right? Plus minus 4 into y equals 8. Here constant term minus 8. Minus 8 added to minus 4y, right? So when we transpose minus 8 from LHS to RHS, we should subtract minus 8 from 8. See children, next step, minus 4 into y equals 8 already there on RHS minus 8. Was it clear? Minus 4 into y equals 8 minus 8. Also equals minus 4 into y equals 8 plus 8. Okay? Equals 16. Then y equals 16 divided by minus 4. What about 16 divided by minus 4? 16 by 4, 4. Positive divided by negative becomes negative. So final answer becomes negative 4. Here 3 into y minus 5 equals 21. Also equals 3 into y minus 3 into 5. 3 into 5 equals 21. Then 3 into y minus 15 equals 21. Then constant term here minus 15. 15 subtracted from 3y, right? So we have to transpose subtracted 15 from here to here. It becomes 3 into y equals 21 plus 15. 3 into y equals 36. Then y equals 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Is it clear children? Here we have 3 into 5 minus y equals 9. We can write it as 3 into 5 minus 3 into y equals 9. 15 minus 3 into y equals 9. Listen carefully, children. Here constant term 15, right? What about 15 here? Added to 3 into y or subtracted from 3 into y? Can you give me answer? Listen carefully, children. Here 15 added to minus 3y. Why? Listen carefully. We can write it as 15 plus minus 3 into y. Clear, no? Equals 9. Is it clear? Now 15 added to minus 3y. Next step becomes minus 3 into y equals 9 minus 15. Minus 3 into y equals minus 6. Right? Minus 3 into y equals minus 6. Then y equals minus 6 divided by minus 3. Minus divided by minus, or negative divided by negative, positive. 6 by 3, 2. Is it clear, children? Final answer becomes 2. Now we have 4 into 2 minus y equals 8. Also equals 4 into 2, 4 into 2 minus 4 into y. 4 into y equals 8. Listen carefully, children. Here 4 into 2, 8 minus 4y or 4 into y equals 8. Listen, here 8 added to minus 4y. Y, listen carefully, children. We can write it as 8 plus minus 4 into y equals 8. From this step we can understand 8 added to minus 4y or 4y subtracted from 8. Clear, no? Now next step, minus 4 into y equals 8 minus 8. Added, no? Then minus 4 into y equals 8 minus 8. How much is there? 0. Then y equals 0 divided by minus 4 equals 0. Clear, no? 4 equals 5 into y minus 2. In this question, variable lies on RHS. We have to keep variable on LHS. Then only we can do easily, or we can find easily the value of y. See, children, we can write it as 5 into y minus 2 equals 4. Here LHS equals RHS, right? Now we can equate RHS to LHS. Both are equal, right? This is also equals 5 into y minus 5 into 2 equals 4. Then 5 into y minus 10 equals 4, right? Then 5 into y equals 4 plus 10. Okay? Then 5 into y equals how much? 4 plus 10, 14. Then y equals 14 divided by 5. 4 plus 5 into y minus 1 equals 34. Listen, here we have to break this bracket first. 4 plus 5 into y minus 5 into 1. equals 34. The next step, 4 plus 5 into y minus 5 equals 34. On LHS we can see two constant terms. We have to combine 4 minus 5 or 4 plus minus 5. Right? What about 4 plus minus 5? Minus 1. So next step, 5 into y minus 1 equals 34. Clear, no? Is there any confusion? 4 plus minus 5 or 4 minus 5. Then 5 into y equals 34 plus 1. Then 5 into y equals, what about 34 plus 1? Yes, 35. Then y equals 35 by 5. Final answer becomes 7. 7 5s are 35. Clear, no? See children, if here any confusion, listen, we can write this step as 4 plus 5 into y plus minus 5 equals 34. Okay? Now 4 plus minus 5 becomes minus 1. Clear, no? Last question, 0 equals 16 plus 4 into y minus 6. Here 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into y minus 6. We can write it as, here variable on RHS. We have to keep variable on LHS, right? So we can write 16 plus 4 into y minus 6 equals 0. Clear, no? The next step, 16 plus 4 into y minus 6 becomes 4 into y minus 4 into 6 equals 0. Also equals to 16 plus 4 into y minus 4 6 are 24 equals 0. On LHS we can see two constant terms, 16 and minus 24. Listen carefully children. This is also equals 16 plus 4 into y plus minus 24 equals 0. There is no change. Negative into positive becomes negative. Clear now? Now we have to combine these two constant terms. 16, positive 16 plus negative 24 becomes negative, how much? Negative 8 plus 4 into y equals 0. Here negative 8 added to 4y. So next step becomes 4 into y equals 0 minus 8. Now 4 into y equals 0 plus 8, 8, right? Then y equals 8 by 4 equal to 2. Clear, no?